Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing it better. Now today we are going to start on the new topic of our class 6 chapter 5 understanding elementary shapes exercise 5.6. Now before starting this exercise 5.6, let's discuss some of the important concepts of this related to this exercise. The topic is types of triangles. Now basically we have till now you have known that there are three types of triangles, okay, like equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and a scalene triangle. Obviously you people have heard these words. Now we will get to know some more types of triangle. Now the first criteria for classifying the triangle is based on sides. Okay, there are three sides of a triangle. So on the base of sides, if the supposedly length of side is given to us, then we have three types of triangle. Number one, equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? A triangle in which all the three sides are equal. Okay, so this is called equilateral triangle if all the three sides are equal. Now supposingly if this is the triangle ABC, if AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, means all the three sides are equal, then the triangle is said to be equilateral triangle. Now these are the words which are new for you and quite lengthy also, so you have to memorize the spelling of these words. Okay, so just split those words. EQUI, late, LATE, RAL. So equilateral triangle. Now similarly the second one we have is isosceles triangle. Okay, now what is isosceles triangle? Now in equilateral all three sides were equal. In isosceles only two sides are equal. A triangle in which two sides are equal. Okay, now how we will draw its diagram? Again let's name it same, ABC. Now in this triangle AB is equal to AC. So this is said to be isosceles triangle. Equilateral, all three equal. Isosceles, two sides equal. Now third one is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Now what is this? In this no sides are equal, means all the three sides are of different length. So it's very easy to identify these triangles on the basis of sides. A triangle in which all three sides are unequal. All three sides are unequal or of different measurement. Okay, so these triangles are said to be scalene triangle. You can draw any triangle. Now nothing is equal in this, so I can simply write it in this way. This is scalene triangle in which no sides are equal. All the three sides are unequal or of different measurement. Now these are the three types of triangle based on sides. Similarly, based on angles. Now instead of sides, based on angles also, we have three types of triangles. So let's see what are those three types. Based on angles. Okay, so based on angles, number one. Now we have read about different types of angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, and reflex angle, complete angle. So on the basis of those angles only, we have three types of triangle. That is, first one is acute angled triangle. Okay. Now what happens in acute angled triangle? All the three angles. Now a triangle is having three sides and a triangle is having three angles also. So if all the three angles of a triangle are acute, then it is acute angle triangle. Okay, if all the three angles of a triangle are acute, now it's very simple. This triangle we can draw. Now in this triangle, let's name it as ABC. This is also acute, this is also acute, and this is also acute. So if all the three angles of a triangle are acute, then it is acute angled triangle. Now second one is, definitely you all can guess what is that? Obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse, acute angled, it's angled, ED. Okay, similarly obtuse angled triangle. Now in this, if one angle, if any one angle, okay, any one angle of triangle is obtuse. If any one angle of triangle is obtuse, then it is obtuse angled triangle. We can draw it this way. Now A, B, C. Okay. So this is this angle B is obtuse. So this is obtuse angle triangle. We have to only look for one angle, any one of them. Now similarly the third one is right angled triangle. Obviously again by the name we all can understand that what will be right angle triangle. If any one angle of a triangle, if any one angle of a triangle is 90 degree, this should be must, then the triangle is obtuse angled triangle. So we can draw it this way. This is 90 degree. Thus it is an obtuse angled triangle. So whenever supposingly the question is regarding classify of triangle, if sides are given to you, then you will classify on basis of sides. If angles are given to you, then you will classify on based on angles. So in all we are having 6 types of triangle. Based on sides, 3 triangles, equilateral, all 3 equal, isosceles, only 2 are equal, scalene triangle, all the 3 sides are unequal, not a single is equal. Okay, similarly based on angle, acute angle, in this all 3 should be acute. Obtuse angle, only one should be obtuse. Right angle, only one should be 90 degree. So now we have understood the basics of exercise 5.6. So 6. Now let's do some of the questions related to that topic, that is types of triangle. Now first question of this exercise is like name the types of triangle, name the types of following triangles. Okay, some triangles are given and we have to name it. Now in the A part, the triangle given, triangle with length 7 cm, 8 cm and 9 cm. Now see, what is given to us? We have been given 3 different sides of triangle. So means we have to classify it basis of sides. Now 1 is 7, 1 is 8, 1 is 9. Means all the 3 are unequal. So which type of triangle is this? Yes, you all are correct, that is scalene triangle. Now next is B part. Triangle ABC with AB 8.7 centimeter and AC 7 centimeter and BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, so again 3 sides of triangle is given to us and all the 3 sides are unequal. So again it's a scalene triangle. Now next is C part, a triangle PQR. Now in this PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Means all the 3 are equal. So this is what? First one, equilateral triangle. Now for D part, triangle DEF. And only one angle is given, that is angle D, which is equal to 90 degree. Now if angle 1 is 90 degree, we have to classify it on the basis of angles. So this is right angled triangle. Questions you people will write with black pen and answer you should write with blue pen so that your work should look neat and clean. Okay. Then the next one is triangle XYZ, in which angle Y is equal to 90 degree and XY is equal to YZ. Okay. Now what we can see in this angle is also given and sides are also given. Both the things are given. Means we have to classify on both the bases. Now on the basis of angle it is right angle. And on the basis of sides only 2 sides are given equal. Only 2 sides. So that is isosceles triangle. So what we will say, the name of this triangle is so in this we have to classify on both the bases, angle and sides. So on the basis of angle it is right angle triangle, on the basis of side it is isosceles. So what I will write? Isosceles right angled triangle. Okay, isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles bhi hai or right angle bhi hai, both the things. Now similarly for F part, now in this angle L is equal to given 30 degree, angle M is equal to given 70 degree and angle N is equal to given 80 degree. Okay. Now again 3 angles are given and all are less than 90. Okay. So all are acute angles. So this is acute angled triangle. I hope you all have understood question number 1, because in this only we have to classify triangles on the basis of sides and angles. Now similarly coming to question number 2, that is match the following. Okay, this question I will give you an assignment. So right now I am not doing it here on the board because the question is very simple. You have to match it, the 6 types of triangle which we have studied now, and data is given to us so that you all can do very easily. Now I am moving to next question, that is question number 3. This is quite a lengthy one, but it's very easy. Now supposingly for A part, the diagram is given like this. This is 8 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, and this is also 5 centimeter. Okay, and this mark has been given. Now first of all let me read the question. Question is, name each of the following triangles in 2 different ways. We have to name us a triangle in 2 different ways. What are the ways? You might judge the nature of angle by observation. Now this is the marking for angle. Okay, if single marking means there is no other angle in it, single mark is there, so it is unequal. But in this 2 marking and 2 marking means both are equal. Okay, and sides are written to us. Now we have to name this in two different ways. So one should be based on sides and one should be based on angles. Okay, so how we will do these questions? First we will write based on sides. Okay, based on sides we can see 5, 5, 8 means two are equal. So this is isosceles triangle. Now this symbol I will use for triangle. And this is the symbol for triangle, but whenever you will write in notebook, you should not use this symbol. You have to write the complete name. Okay. Now based on angles, I am writing in short way, but you have to write in notebook in a proper way, complete word, triangle. Now angles, if I will see, this is also acute, acute, acute. Okay. So this is acute angled triangle. Okay, similarly for B part, in B part the question is, the diagram is made like this. This has been marked, this is the symbol for 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree, 15, 17 and 8. All are in centimeter, 15, 17 and 8. So based on sides, based on sides we can see 15, 8 and 17 all are unequal. So this is scalene triangle. And based on angles we can see that one angle is given 90 degree. So this is right angled triangle. Okay. Now similarly we will do the other parts. Okay, now coming to the C part of question number 3. First of all, based on sides. Based on sides we can see that two sides are given equal, 7 and 7. And definitely the another one is not equal to 7. So if two are equal, then again it's isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. And based on angles, we can see that one angle is, we can just, by observation we can see that one angle is more than 90 degree. So what is this? This is obtuse angle. So the name should be obtuse angled triangle. Similarly for D part, based on sides. Based on sides we can see 10, 10. Two are equal. Again it's isosceles triangle. And based on angles, we can see that one angle is 90 degree. So what we will say? Right angled triangle. Okay. Similarly for E part, based on sides, it's all three are equal. Equilateral triangle. And based on angles, by observation we can say that all are acute. So it should be acute angled triangle. Now for the F part, based on sides, we can see that one is given 15, one is given 10 and one is given 9. So this is scalene triangle. And then based on angles, one angle is given obtuse. So this is obtuse angled triangle. Okay, so we have discussed the third question of exercise 5.6. Now question number 4, I will give you in the assignment in the form of activity. You have to just try to perform it. And the question I will explain you, try to construct triangles using matchsticks. Matchsticks you all are using for burning. ठीक है, तो आपको उसको यूज करके क्या बनाना है? ट्राइंगल बनाना है. Now some examples have been shown to you in the form of diagram also. Now the question is, can you make a triangle with 3 matchsticks? क्या 3 matchstick का यूज करके आप ट्राइंगल बना सकते हैं? You just try it, then check if you can make it with 4 matchstick or you can make it with 5 or 6. Now if you are able to make the triangles, very nice. If you are not able to make the triangle, then you have to make out the reason that why the triangle is not being formed. what may be the reason that you are unable to construct the triangle. So you have to do this question in the form of activity, which I will give you in the assignment today. Okay, so let's complete this exercise on today's date. Thank you students. For next topic we will meet in our next class.